Hi, good evening everyone. First of all, I would like to welcome you to the Mysterious Trader channel. Before we start, again the disclaimer, we are not financial advisors. Whatever video, whatever content is being made, it is only and only for educational purpose. And always remember to make a smart decision and do your own research. You must consult your financial advisor before taking any decision. So आज के हमारे ट्रेड हैं. In the morning I had sold one strangle में 15,500 की पी को हमने 15-16 रुपीज़ के ऊपर बेचा. दैट वाज द प्रीमियम वी वर गेटिंग एंड वी सोल्ड 18,000 का कॉल ऑप्शन एट 23 रुपीज़. ये हमने 3 मार्च की एक्सपायरी का हमने ट्रेड को चूज़ किया, बीइंग सीइंग दिस सेफ्टी बिकॉज दिस ट्रेड आई वाज फाइंडिंग कि मच सेफर है एंड द एक्यूरेसी वाज आल्सो कमिंग अराउंड 80%. सो दिस ट्रेड गेव मी अराउंड 13,500 रुपीज़ ऑफ प्रॉफिट. फिर दिन में somehow the data was also suggesting that the market is going to remain range bound, but yes आज की रेंज भी बहुत ज़्यादा है because VIX is high and 100-150 पॉइंट ऊपर और नीचे का मूवमेंट निफ्टी बहुत ही आसानी से कर देता है. So I thought कि आयरन फ्लाई strategy would be suitable, so I sold a call option of 17,800. मार्जिन को बाय करने के लिए 18,500 का कॉल ऑप्शन हमने खरीदा एंड सिमिलरली 16,500 का पुट ऑप्शन हमने बेचा एंड 15,500 का पुट ऑप्शन को बाय किया सो दैट दैट मार्जिन कैन बी देयर. ये ट्रेड पूरा हमारा फरवरी की मंथली एक्सपायरी का था. सो दिस गेव मी अराउंड 6,000 रुपीज. नाउ आई विल जस्ट शो यू द एनालिसिस ऑन चार्ट हाउ दिस एनालिसिस वाज डन. एज यू कैन सी फ्रॉम द चार्ट दीज वर द 2 ट्रेड्स विच वर टेकन. ये जो 3 मार्च का हमने स्ट्रैंगल लिया 15,500 का पुट ऑप्शन बेचा, दिस इज शोइंग इट गेव अ प्रॉफिट ऑफ अप्रोक्सीमेटली 6,000 रुपीज. देन हेयर यू कैन सी 3 मार्च 18,000 का कॉल ऑप्शन सोल्ड एट 23 रुपीज बट नाउ बुक प्रॉफिट एट 18 रुपीज. सो दिस गेव अप्रोक्सीमेटली 7,000 रुपीज. नाउ द सेकंड आयरन फ्लाई स्ट्रेटेजी विच वाज मेड वाज 17,800 का कॉल ऑप्शन आई सोल्ड इट. दिस गेव मी 9,200 रुपीज अप्रोक्सीमेटली and 16,500 put option this was sold, so this gave a loss of approximately 3,000. so both these gave me approximately 19,000 rupees of profit. but beach mein you can see that there are few more trades which I had made. beach mein the data was initially bearish but data started changing and it became a bit bullish during the afternoon. but jaise hi market it went up, I'll show you on the chart. I'll show you मार्केट यहाँ पे कहीं गया जब ये निफ्टी ने यहाँ पे रिजेक्शन लिया. सो आई स्टार्टेड सेलिंग द कॉल ऑप्शंस. नाउ कौन से वाले कॉल ऑप्शन बेचे यू कैन सी 17,700 का कॉल ऑप्शन आई सोल्ड, 17,600 का कॉल ऑप्शन आई सोल्ड एंड 17,500 का कॉल ऑप्शन आई सोल्ड. 17,400 का भी कॉल ऑप्शन मैंने सेल किया. एंड इन द मॉर्निंग इटसेल्फ व्हेन निफ्टी वाज समवेयर हेयर ये कैंडल बनाई 15 मिनट चार्ट पे. And when this candle was made, I was a bit sure कि but yes now Nifty will at least move 30-40 point up. But again it went down. Yes, it scared me. But somewhere at the top of this candle, I sold 16,400 का put option. Let me just show you. 16,400 का put option बेचा and this gave me approximately 5,000 rupees of the profit. So somewhere here I sold the put options and when Nifty took rejection from this level then I started selling call options. So I thought कि Nifty is taking a pullback कि ये ऊपर ना चला जाए because when it crossed this level means आज का high इसने इस candle पे cross किया and this complete bullish candle was made. It scared me but I kept holding this and I started averaging my call options. When this candle came it gave me some relief and when next 15-20 minutes these candles had given me a conviction but yes that Nifty has been rejected from 17,350 level and इसी की वजह से can you see these candles, all these candles gave me a confirmation that I should carry the sell of call options. so इसीलिए I carried this position. you can see I'm still carrying Nifty February 17,800 का call option I carried tomorrow at 4 rupees. when the market opens, even if market opens 50-100 points up, this will still give me profit. or if market opens flat, yes, and if market opens gap down, it is going to give me profit. so it is clearly showing. now let me just explain you one more thing. These are the resistances and supports I have made. Nifty has been roaming around in this particular zone area only. So every time what I do, 16,800 and below, I start selling put options if the market is range bound, and 17,800 and above I start selling call options if market remains range bound. But if there is a directional move, if there is a bearish trend, if the market is going down, then I start selling all the call options above 17,600, and the day market is bullish, then I started selling all the put options below 17,800. So you have to decide, you have to see, every day you have to make a new strategy, you have to see where is the direction of market going to come. That is actually unpredictable, but yes, somehow you can make a tentative judgment, and based on that you can start doing your judgments. So this is how, if you have good risk management strategies, and if you have a bit psychological understanding of the market, it is not that difficult to make money. So this was the today's trade, and this has given me approximately 30,000 today. You can see on the screen 30,900. Yes, tomorrow as soon as the market opens, this will definitely give 5 to 7,000 rupees. So thank you so much for listening to me. Keep watching, keep subscribing. Thank you.